really do appreciate it. Oneofoneboxbreaks.com. We're doing some Valor tonight. Finishing off our case of some 2012 here. They are doing 2014 Valor, and I'm sure it's going to be nasty. Only a few cards coming out of these boxes here, but I really do appreciate it, you guys. Here's everybody in the break. 2012 Valor Dual Box Break, Round 4, 6/24/2014. I got 6:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Timothy S. checking in. Donate J. Reagan N. Stevie F. Jamie M. James S. Coming up. Stephen M. Brad S. Jonathan S. Stevie F. and Perry S. closing us off down there. We back away a little bit here. Take all 32 of your guys' names here, and I'm going to copy them up, open up my random.org, and paste them all in. You know the routine. Here's everybody's name as they were purchased. Same exact order there. I'm going to randomize these 3 times. There's number 1. There's number 2, guys. And there's number 3. I'm going to take all of your names there, all 32 of them, and copy them. Open my sheet back up here, my trusty sheet, and paste them on in. Go ahead and hit print. Here you go, guys. Got 6:04 p.m. Pacific Standard Time now. We're cracking. Here's your names. Always a little blurry, but I'll show you the sheet one more time and call them out as they come. Really do appreciate it, guys. Gonna get a little better lighting going there. All right, here we go. 2012 Valor Dual Box Break, round number 4. Up in the chat, guys. Here's everybody's teams. Good luck to you all. Jamie M. sneaking in and stealing that cold spot. Look you go. All right, good luck, guys. I'll call them out. I really do appreciate it. Here's box number 7. We're going to start with that there. Gotta love this Valor. Thinking about getting some more. Also thinking about getting on the little 2014 craze with everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Empty top. Empty padding. First card. Here we go, guys. Is that DeMarcus Ware? Oh, yeah, that is. And that's going to the Cowboys, James S.P. And that'll be numbered 159 out of 170. These cards are so nice. And then, little Gronkinator there. Mr. Kowski, that'll be going to the Patriots, James S.P. 32 out of 170. And then, oh my lord, little T.Y. Hilton. Nice little auto there. Number 4 out of 170, and that'll be going to the Colts, Jamie M. Welcome to the set, Jamie. And don't go nowhere. I got a little more love for you. That's a Dwayne, a Dwayne Allen. I always called him a D Wade. And that's a big old on-card honor auto there, and that's 20 out of 50. Going back to the Colts, Jamie M. Boom, right there. On a little bit of a vacay, Timothy. Next card. This is a nice little auto here. Who's got him? Who's got him? We going to the Saints. Little Jimmy Graham auto. And that's numbered 164 out of 250. Who's got the Saints? Reagan in. There you go. Little vet love there. And then, this is nice. Little Kendall Wright. Disciplined 2-color patch. That's numbered 15 out of 25. That'll be going to the Titans. James S.P. There you go. A little bit of newbie luck. Yeah. We got one more box left, guys. I know this is a quickie tonight. I'll be back with you tomorrow night doing Hot Rookies Premier Break. I got lots of other stuff to list, too. Valor's sold out now, so I'll put up another. Look out for it in the morning, you guys. Little box numbering there. Yeah, look out for the new stuff in the morning. I'll probably put up, let's see here, I got a lot of stuff, but maybe I'll put up like two new case breaks tomorrow morning. Hold me to it. Here we go. Good luck to you guys. Final box here of Valor. Of course, unless I pick up some more. Here we go. Little Vincent Jackson starting us off there. Little vet card, and that's going to the Bucks. That's Stevie F. And that's 62 out of 170. And then, this is nice. Little Lamar Miller, Glory. And that's 33 out of 50. Yeah, we got 9 spots left in Hot Rookies pre-sale, and that's going to the Dolphins. James S.P. Ooh, I hate to say it too, but James, you got egged. Going back to them Dolphins, little Agnew speed parallel. That's 2 out of 70. Going back to James S.P. There you go, bud. And then Isaiah P. And look at you got all that space. Why are you going to make that little old autograph? That's 29 out of 146, and that's going to the Rammers, Jonathan S. And then little Mark Ingram, strength parallel. That'll be shorter print. That's 21 out of 50 going back to them Saints. A little bit of a ding on the bottom of that card there. And that'll be Reagan in. There you go, Reagan. And a couple vet autos there. And then Valor Football Field of Armor patch card, Chandler Jones. And that'll be going to the Patriots, James S.P. All right. So those were the last 2 boxes. Overall, a very good case, guys. We hit the Tannehill, the 25. We hit the Nick Foles redemption. And we hit the 1-of-1 Nick Toon patch auto. So not too bad on that case. Really do appreciate it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and save this video. If you want to stick around for a minute, I'll let you know about what's going on tomorrow.